Here's the pass. The Will Rogers State Park. It's called the Marvin Broad Bike Path. And we're going to be on, we've got to look up who Marvin Broad is, because we're going to be on this path for the next 15 or 16 miles. But I will say, very nicely paved. Not too many people on it right now. And it's a busy time. And the traffic out on PCH is awful as we got through Malibu. So this will be a good respite, and I'm sure you can move along relatively quickly if you wish, or as slowly as you like. Enjoy the sights on your left. Very wide open. Now I know I can't see the, oh yeah, I can see the Santa Monica Pier. I think Santa Monica Pier is a couple miles away. And that's a treat. We're going to go through the tunnel when we get there. I'll probably put that on the video too. But this is the path. That was the transition from Pacific Coast Highway on for the Marvin Broad Bike Path. And it looks very nice, and I'm telling you, even considering the amount of people that are around today, not much traffic or congestion on here. A couple of rollers to the inline skaters here. Okay, so to give you an idea, we're going to take this path and just stay on it. You have to watch for something. We're going to stay on this for quite a while.